All right, right now on the channel, we're gonna take a look at these two John Deere mowers that we got, and we're gonna repair a belt on one of them, a drive belt. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching Civil Repair. All right, I got another project on the ranch, and we got the two different LA series John Deere's. We got the manual LA100. Here's a manual shift. It has distinct gears and reverse here, 5-speed. And I'm pretty sure this was used as a mud racer. Then we have, this one has a 19.5 horsepower John Deere motor, Briggs & Stratton. Battery's good. They put a higher amp rated fuse, so apparently it may have been blowing some fuses. So, and then we're missing the headlight assembly there, and so it looks like I could pick that up and add that. It'll make it nicer and just be better for the customer. New air filter is actually put in wrong. This is hilarious. It's just backwards. The pre-filter is on the wrong side. And that's it. Yeah, so this one doesn't stay running. One of the jets is clogged in the carb, so let's actually take a look at that. I'll show you. So let's start it up. So full choke is all the way up, right? And then drop it down to full throttle. The jet's clogged up. So here is low throttle. Start it up and see. Starts up. So it looks like the idle jet is clean in the carb, but the full, the bigger jet is not clean. So I might be able to clean it with my trusty carb cleaner in there, but I'm not exactly sure, so I'm gonna take a look. I'll try some fluids and see. We'll see if that works. Here's the carb here. I ordered a new carb. It's already coming in. It's 20 bucks. So when it comes in today, I'll take care of it. And guess what? Today is Sunday, but it's still gonna come in. Cool, huh? The day of, it's a new day, 2025. All right, so on to the automatic. So this is the automatic John Deere. Just came in, like literally with about 30 minutes ago. It looks like a 42-inch deck. This one is a 38-inch deck. Looks pretty small. Let's look. Maybe 32-inch as well. 38-inch, sorry. I'll measure it later. This has a better system. So the choke is separate from the throttle. This is a slightly higher model. Let me there. Let's take a look. This has a 21 horsepower V-twin. Is this a V-twin? Nope. Single cylinder on this one. V-twin Briggs & Stratton on the LA100 automatic. We have a headlight assembly, but it's also disconnected down here. You can see the wires. Pretty dirty. I'm ready to wash them up right now. We had a deep freeze last night, so I got to make sure the 3300 psi Ryobi is still still good to go after a deep freeze. But let's take a look. The carb is over here in the front, so can't show you that. But let's look at the fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse, right? This says 20 amp. I believe they're supposed to be 5 amps. I'm not sure, but usually that's one of the first things that people change. Check this out. Guy took care of his. Oh, where are you guys? There you go. That's his oil, clean, and it's at the right level. It's a 2018 battery. See that? 2018 battery, and it's still good. So he had it in. He took care of it. I'm gonna clean it up, and I'll turn this around. I got this for $500 with all the attachments. I got this dump cart is like $300 at Home Depot or Lowe's. He's got the grass catcher for John Deere. The hitch is not bad. There's a ball there. There's the cargo carrier, cargo mount system that I'd like to get for myself to help around with the yard here. But he gave me a spare tire, the mulching attachment, the bags for the grass catcher are down here. So all in all, I'm really happy with this find. So I'm gonna turn around and sell this one for probably $1,500. Maybe after I clean it up. Yeah, $1,500 should be good for $1,500. That one, maybe $700. And what I gotta do? Let's go look. So, a couple things are missing, like the fuel window there. That's not the right fuel tank. I'm pretty sure they used this as a mud mower. That's not the right fuel tank that's supposed to be in there. So, and then I'll show you. Oh, tires are gone. But that's not, they're holding air, so that's not a showstopper. That's actually pretty good. Then, let's see here. Let me show you. So you already know about the carburetor issue, but then there's a drive belt issue. Because, you know why? They stretched the belt with a bigger pulley so it goes faster. So now, oh, I forgot. Let me just use the idle. Okay, so now, take a look. So when I put it into gear, oh, let me take off this is stuck here. So now you hear that slight change. Let me. Off. On. I don't know if you can hear that slight change there. But, so now the transmission off the drive button is engaged. And look how this thing, alright, first gear, second gear, third gear. Let's go all the way up to the max. And we're moving nowhere. Why are we moving nowhere? Because the belt is stretched out. Well, let's put it in reverse and see. Reverse. Oh, reverse is good. First gear. So, first gear engages, second gear. Second gear engages, third gear. Slipping the third gear. Slipping the third gear. So let's take a look at what the problem is. In neutral. So right now, the blade should be engaged. And let's take a look at why fifth, anything above third is not engaging. Clean fuel filter. This is what makes me think that they were using this as a mud mower. Anyway, he said he changed the deck belt and then used it and then sold it. That is a brand new pulley right there. This is a sprayed deck. Yeah, this was redone. So he's got some hours in it, but let's just let it go for 180, which is making me wonder. Okay, let's take a look up here. There is the drive belt, and it should be tight right now. Let's see. But it's definitely not tight. Let's see if I can get my hand up there. If you guys see. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, anyway, it's definitely loose. So that's not working. The pulleys on the other side, the belt is running around the pulleys, so that part is way back there. I don't know if you guys can see that either. Let's see, right there. Jump down a little bit. Come down here. Right here, but in the back. We zoom in. Right there. That bolt there. Yeah. So that's one pulley, and then there's another. It's going further. No, not really good. I'm still only seeing the one pulley, but there's another pulley back there, and if that pulley is set right, then and the belt is still not tight, so there's the drive pulley back there, and it attaches to the transmission, and it's a manual, so it's not hydrostatic, so it should attach tightly. It should be tight on there, but it's pretty loose. I can't even get my hand in there, but I know it's loose, and you can kind of see, so you get the point. So that's what we got going on right now. This is the cheaper version. Oh, let me zoom out. Sorry about that, guys. And this is the cheaper version, but the seat still slides, just doesn't have cushion. So I can probably change this assembly and get this going. Other than that, the engine is good, which is making me think this was a mud mower. But I'll add some more video, I guess, of when I start doing the repairs. I'm gonna actually start now. I'm gonna pull it into the shop here, and then start. Ooh, that's too intimate, they said. I'm gonna pull it into the shop and get this drive belt on. It should be tighter, and it won't break on us, and it should engage all the way up to 5th gear. So let's see.